Hello, I'm Jasmin Zorlu, and my little doggy is so cute. Oh, look at him. Oh my goodness, so cute. In the bike basket. That's Moja Zorlu. So today I'm going to show you how I make these Jinsin visors. There's a few more up there that I drape that I have to still hand stitch. So I take this yardage, it's called Jinsin, it's also known as bunto, and it's hand woven in the Philippines on wooden looms. The fiber is from the talipot palm tree, and they take the fibers from the unopened stalks and then they weave them with polyester threads, as you can see here. I bound the edge so that it doesn't fray, and then I wet it to make it more easy to drape. And then I can either drape it on my own head, or I can do the same thing with my hat block. I covered it with foil because I've been using plastic for the longest time, and I'm trying to get away from using plastic. It's a little hard to get over my plastic addiction. So I actually covered the foil with plastic because I don't want the color to leak off the pink ones and the purple one onto the cream one. But don't worry, it won't leak after you buy my hat. So let's play around a little bit. I want to have a brim, well, not a brim, a visor. Excuse my unshaven armpits. I get lazy, just like men get lazy shaving their beard. Shadow. Whatever. You know what? You know, this is a weird thing to admit, but I've always felt more masculine than feminine, even though I make hats for women. And I went to a psychic, and the psychic said, in 85% of your past lives, you were a man. Yep, that sounds right. So you just keep on playing around. I've made this one style that's like a mitre hat that bishops wear when you wear it this way. It's like this, but then when you flip it, it becomes a big old visor, okay? Anyway, I'm going to keep on playing on my own, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye!